What's going on, guys? So I'm back with another video. So today I'm taking my Hellcat to the track and just keep practicing. I want to get more seat time with the Hellcat because I don't have much seat time with the Hellcat as I did with my other Scat Packs. So I'm just gonna go. The car will be on 93. It's on a daily tune. It's not really fast, but I'm gonna show you guys how that goes and watch a bunch of races. So let's cold start the car. We got the Scat over here. That's staying here, and then we're gonna take the Hellcat. As you guys can see, I put that just so I don't get all the tire tar and shit on the car. So let's get started. So you guys know I'm not lying. I'm putting 93 in the car right now before I go to the track. So got the 93 right here and it's going in the car. So I'm headed to the track right now. It's gonna take like an hour to get there. Sorry if I keep looking at the road. I don't want to hit anything. So first time I went to the track, I didn't have my drive shaft, didn't really launch my car hard. Sorry if I keep looking on the road. But anyways, this is my like official first time where I have my drive shaft and I'm ready to actually race and launch the car, right? And it rains, so we're still like about 30 minutes, yeah, about like 20-30 minutes away. So hopefully it's not raining over there or it stopped. The rain's kind of, yeah, it's like stopping, so it's not as bad. I'm happy that on the highway it's like the concrete, it's not the other black kind of type of road, because then with my slicks I'll be slipping everywhere. So pray for me I get there safe. So I'm about to keep driving. So the rain got pretty bad, and then we took an exit, and then it switched to another highway, and it had the black type of road which was slipping, and I felt the back was kind of slipping. And then there's truckers everywhere, and all the water from their wheels is getting on, you know, it's getting onto me, and the car's kind of slipping. So I just pulled into a gas station, and as you can see, it's wet outside right now. Got my slicks, so this is why it can't drive in the rain. I mean, it was doing okay, but then it started getting really bad, so I had to stop, and the car's pretty fucking wet. Thank you to those Brembos though. So it's pretty wet right now. So I got a little leaf right here. But yep, thank God the tape hasn't fallen off. It's kind of wet. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait it out in the gas station for like 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna hit the road, and I got like 30 more minutes of driving till I get there. So I'm just gonna sit here until the kind of dries out and the rain kind of stops. So at the gas station I'm pulled over at, I'm just in the car, just waiting for this rain to stop, and then I see some guy added me and snapped me. So I go to see who added me, and it turned out to be, give me a second, right here. Shout out to this dude. don't know if you guys can see it. It's ballislife_Mo. He turned out to be the owner of the gas station, or he works here. I'm not really sure, but he sent me a snap of my car, and then wow, this thing is fucking annoying. So he snapped me a picture of my car, and then I went in there to get something, and he did give me free chips. He didn't let me pay for it, so shout out to Mo. I appreciate you, and he is a follower, and he got me on YouTube, so thank you for your support. It really means a lot. So I decided to take the side streets because the highway is getting really bad, and the type of like road it was the slippery kind of road, like the ones they use at the track. Yeah, so I just took it. It's like concrete here. My car isn't slipping, so I'm just gonna take the side streets. I got like 7 more miles to get there, so I'm about to continue driving because it's raining. So ambulances here.
Yeah, they have ambulances here?
Just in case. What a fucked up ass day. Sorry, nobody's here. We're the only ones here. That guy has a Mopar in there. So, it's kind of dark because my tints are dark. So, unfortunately, we got to the track. The track closed because looks like it's gonna rain all day. So I'm gonna have to take back streets all the way back home, which is an extra 30 minutes on top of the trip. So it's an hour and 30 minutes to get there. So yeah, it's a terrible day. I know I shouldn't have came, but it said it was gonna stop, so it didn't. So I'm gonna drive back right now, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but we'll see. You can see it's terrible. It's been raining non-stop. Yeah, right there. The track is right there. But yep, we're about to leave. I don't even know why the camera is so dark. Like, I don't know. I do have a new camera. I am recording with a GoPro. I used to have a vlogging camera, a Canon GX7 or some shit like that. But now I'm using the GoPro. So since I'm taking the back roads, I'm just literally stopping every interesting looking background, just taking pictures of my car. Yeah, I'm that bored right now, and I'm kind of down. I'm not that mad that the track isn't open because it was kind of my fault for driving here. So yeah, I'm just taking pictures as I go along. It's like literally, like I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. Like nobody, like it's just like there's a house every 3 miles, and then there's just a bunch of woods. I gotta be careful because I just seen a deer cross. I don't want to hit a deer, and those stupid fucks they're the dumbest animals. Alright, so my girlfriend wanted to go to the bathroom, so we stopped at McDonald's in the middle of nowhere, and the car right here is so fucking wet. I've never driven my car in the rain, but today we got fucked and caught in the rain. I didn't get the red keys, so we're about to go inside the McDonald's and park this bitch. I am so mad that I'm driving it in the rain. So we're about to get some food. No, hell, I don't eat at McDonald's. So as you guys see, I'm wearing this SRT hoodie that my girlfriend got me. So we're all done with McDonald's. This fire truck decided to park next to me, matching with the red keys. So he parked really fucking close, but see, there's all these parking spots, and he decided to fucking park right next to me. Thank you for serving us, but fuck you for parking next to me. So we got a Alfa Romeo. I've never really seen these in like driving, but they look fucking stupid as shit. Look how small they look. Dropped the car off. It's been a fucking long day of just driving the Hellcat. So the Hellcat is in the garage. We're gonna take the Scat Pack and we're gonna go get some food. So yeah, it's been a long day and it's raining, so I just put the this the view. Driver mod, put it in track, and then no SRT. Yep. Got to Panda Express because we couldn't decide what restaurant to go to, so we just said fuck it, we're gonna go to Panda Express. It's raining and the car looks so good in the rain, man. Just look at that. The orange looks super good in the rain. Whew. Look at those. Yeah. So we're all about to go in. Panda Express. Ooh, check those eyes. It's not as loud as the Hellcat, but the cats are off the Scat Pack, so it sounds pretty stock right now. But yeah. Thank you for watching another video. I know today it was a long day and hectic day, but I will go to the track the next day it's opened. I believe it's either Wednesday or it'll be next Saturday. But I will go and I will get tons of races and I will run my car because I kind of missed not running my car, and I want to run it and post a video so you guys can see how the car is doing. But anyways, the car is in the garage. I'm about to head inside and eat, and I'm gonna call it a night. It's like 9 o'clock at night or like 8 o'clock. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.